On the matters of football, and as part of FIFA's Women Football Development Program, Football Kenya Federation has embarked on a crucial initiative organizing physiotherapist workshop. This workshop is designed to enhance the capabilities of physiotherapists within FKF Women's Premier League and FKF Women's National Super League.
In the development of Women League, because, you know, as much as we are looking at sports being an active event, there is the background of it. There's the background of scoring that goal. You don't just wake up to score the goal. So you need to make sure that this individual is well prepared for the event. And the preparations is not only training, but also looking at their well-being, and well-being goes beyond physical well-being. It could be mental well-being, it could be social well-being. So it's a holistic way of making this person fit before you even expose them to an environment of sport training and sports activity. So I think it's a very good preparatory pathway for women willing to participate in the league.
The importance of this workshop, one, it brings together all the physiotherapists of representing all the sports, football sports in Kenya. So we are able to know and interact with each other. We are able also to do consultations where necessary. Again, it also reminds all the physiotherapists that it also entices everyone. We are also able to improve our skills here, because we get to be reminded on how to manage these injuries. And as we all say, that learning is dynamic. These things keep on changing, so we get updated. We also get updated on anything that has changed in the medical field, or rather the physiotherapy department, so that we can be able to assist all these players to prevent injuries, to recover from trauma and injuries, and also to manage the age-related injuries.
The workshop is very important for us as physiotherapists, because what we are learning here is what we will be able to put into practice when you go there to the field. The gap that is there with the women's team is that